welcome to my YouTube channel, and today's video tutorial is Joni Mitchell's Both Sides Now. It's a beautiful song. It's been covered by many artists, and I've simplified it down for you today. You can simply strum along, or you can follow along with the video and learn the picking pattern to play this song. Once you've learned the chords and the picking pattern, the play along video continues. Enjoy! So we have our G chord, so that's first and third finger, first and third string, second fret, third finger, third fret on the second string. So there's our G. Then we have a C. Now you can play it with your third finger, or while we play part of the song, when you'll see it in the video, the play along video, you'll see that in the chorus, I simply put my pinky down on that C string, on that C note, in order to get that sound, or you can simply play a C. We also have an A minor, so second fret, fourth string. And we also have an A minor 7 or a C6, which is nothing at all, so don't hold any strings down. And we also have a D major, so second, third, and fourth string on the second fret. And the picking pattern for this song, if you're going to pick it, is I'm going to just play my G for the beginning of the song, and you pull the outside strings, and then you play 2, 3, 2. So what you're doing is you're running your fingers along those strings. So outside, 2, 3, 2. So you're pulling them up from the outside, and you're pulling up string 2, string 3, string 2. And I'm using my middle finger on string 2 and my index finger on string 3, and I'm basically running them back and forth. So if you needed to practice that, you can do those two fingers. So outside 2, 3, 2, outside 2, 3, 2, outside 2, 3, 2, outside 2, 3, 2. And that is the picking pattern throughout the entire song. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rows and flows of angel hair, ice cream castles in the air, and feathered canyons everywhere. I've looked at clouds that way, but now they only block the sun. They rain and snow on everyone. So many things I would have done, but clouds got in my way. I've looked at clouds from both sides now, from up and down, but still somehow it's clouds' illusions I recall. I really don't know clouds at all. Moons and Junes and Ferris wheels, the dizzy dancing way you feel, and every fairy tale comes real. I've looked at love that way, but now it's just another show. You leave them laughing when you go, and if you care, don't let them know. Don't give yourself away. I've looked at love from both sides now, from near and far, but still somehow it's love's illusions I recall. I really don't know love at all. Tears and fears and feeling proud to say I love you right out loud, and dreams and schemes friends and circus crowds. I've looked at life that way. But now old friends are acting strange. They shake their heads, they say I've changed. Well, something's lost, but something's gained in living every day. I've looked at life from both sides now, from give and take, but still somehow it's life's illusions I recall. I really don't know life. I've looked at life from both sides now, from give and take, but still somehow it's life's illusions I recall. I really don't know life at all.